वो बमुश्किल पुलिस से बच निकलने में कामयाब हुई।
She barely managed to escape the police. She barely managed to escape the police.
अपनी सेहत का ख्याल न रखने का नतीजा तबाहकुन होगा।
Not taking care of your health will end disastrously. Not taking care of your health will end disastrously.
मैंने आज मुख्तलिफ नौकरियों के लिए दरखास्त दी।
I applied for a series of jobs today. I applied for a series of jobs today.
इसने इस मंजर की मंजरकशी अपने ज़हन में की।
He pictured the scene in his head. He pictured the scene in his head.
बच्चे खामोश बैठे रहे।
The children sat in silence. The children sat in silence.
उस्ताद रोते हुए लड़के को तसल्ली देने के लिए तेजी से आगे बढ़ा।
The teacher moved fast to console the crying boy. The teacher moved fast to console the crying boy.
मेरे पास एक आइडिया है जिससे मसला हल हो जाएगा।
I have an idea that would solve the problem. I have an idea that would solve the problem.
मैंने तस्वीर पर बड़े पैमाने पर मुस्कुराया।
I grinned widely at the picture. I grinned widely at the picture.
वो पूरी तवज्जो से तकरीर सुन रही थी।
She listened to the speech with intensity. She listened to the speech with intensity.
इसने इम्तिहानी पर्चे में तकरीबन तमाम सवालात के जवाबात दिए।
He answered almost all the questions in the exam paper. He answered almost all the questions in the exam paper.